Hi everyone, welcome back to Steel Toe Rookie. Today we're going to go in there and learn about drywalling. Okay, we're here with Al today, and Al's our drywaller, and he's going to give us a little information. Al, maybe you can start off with how you got to be a drywaller.
Well, I moved to Hamilton. I was a welder fitter, and I ended up getting into construction. My family's always been in construction, and I just ended up in this trade, and I've been doing it for a little over 30 years now.
So you're experienced. Yeah. I probably can't throw a curveball at you. You'll know the answer. Now, what are some of the things that you enjoy about being a drywaller?
I like the fact that we walk in the morning and walk in at night and there's walls in the house.
Yeah.
Ceilings up. It looks totally different when you're...
That's an accomplishment.
Yeah.
How would someone get into this if they wanted to start drywalling?
Well, the best way to get into this would be to get in with somebody that's already got experience.
Right.
So they can show you the do's and don'ts. Because there is a lot to know. You'll never know it all, and I'm still learning today. And anytime I hire somebody new, I always tell them, look, if I show you how to do something, and you think you got a better way, I'm open to hearing it, because there's always a better way to do something.
Right.
Now there's a course at Canador, which is part of the carpenter's course, I believe, but they could show you the basics of it. And I would encourage young people to get into these trades, because it's getting very hard to find young people that want to do these trades. Right. And there's money to be made.
Right.
They're good paying jobs, and yeah, well, you'll stay in shape. But
Yeah. Well, I can promise you that anything you show me today, I will not have a better way to do it.
Well, that's good, because then I won't have to compete with you, will I?
Because if you came and saw my work at home, like, no one's paying for that. Yep.
I won't cut you. Okay. Okay, turn sharp. Put it on top of the wire right here. Okay. Now you're going to come out a bit. Let me in. Right, and we're going to go right up. Swap it against the wall. I'm going to go tight to you. Looks pretty good. Not looking for a job by any chance?
No, I'm not.
No?
I'm learning more and more about how ill-equipped I am to do this stuff.
So I don't know if somebody told you, but we tack perimeter with nails, gets covered with tape.
Right.
Center will come back after and screw the field with the screw guns.
Okay. Well done by you.
Good job, thank you.
You didn't miss one.
Yes, right into the fingers.
I feel like work production would really slow if I was doing this.
Woo! Very nice.
1 for 3.
It only took you 3.
Yeah. Okay, we're with Brian. Brian's a drywaller, and Brian's got a bit of a unique story of how he became a drywaller. Brian, can you share that with us?
I started with a 4-year degree with the University of Guelph for a Bachelor of Science in Biology. I worked in the field for about 3 or 4 years. Decided that it wasn't for me, it wasn't moving me forward fast enough, and decided to jump on at Canador College in the Building Construction Tech program. Finished that, and I've been working here for about a couple of months now. So with the building construction tech program, the instructors were excellent. They're professionals in their field and they're really good at what they do. What I got the most out of it from that program is getting on the tools and actually doing things hands-on for half the day, every single day. Getting that practice, working out all the kinks, so you're good on the hammer, so you're good at using a screw gun, so you're good running a skill saw. That kind of stuff is important, being able to actually get your hands on the tools and learning it, and that's definitely the biggest benefit of that program is all the practical experience you get. Yeah.
So I've been with you guys a little bit downstairs and watching you moving around. This is certainly a physical job.
It is, yeah. You doing this job, even just 2 months, I've dropped almost 10 pounds doing that. There's a lot to do. It's a lot of moving, and well, you saw you were sweating just doing a couple of little tasks there. Yeah, you know, and that's just how it is. Yeah, and it's good. You get paid to work out.
Right.
So there's another benefit.
Sure.
When I coat that screw.
Got a nail.
Okay.
You're just gonna literally use your laser vision and find the stud.
I'm guessing you don't want me to push like that?
Yeah, push.
Really?
Yeah, you gotta push, or else if you're not pushing, it'll the bit will jump off the screw and then it won't go in all the way. It's got a countersink.
Okay. How important is it that I hit stud?
Not that important, but typically we do 2 in the field
Oh, sorry.
on an inside wall.
Good luck. Oh, it hit it? Okay.
Well, you'll know if it doesn't hit. It won't countersink. You have to face that one a little. Yeah, just go to the end.
I'm feeling that you'd already be done this. Well, that one's a little better, right? Okay.
When you get a little bit faster, you can hold down the trigger or lock the trigger on it.
Where is it? How do I do that?
You're going to push the trigger down.
Yeah.
And you're going to push that
Okay.
button. And then release. Yeah.
Now, how do I?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was spinning. Oh, okay. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Hey, 16 inches. All right. So they got to all be done?
Yeah, every stud.
You're looking funny there. Did that not go well?
No. Actually, you know what? If you're kind of cantered.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a lot better. You can see the screw.
Yeah.
Way around.
Okay. Right.
When I coat that screw, it'll be fine. You know what we call that?
How's that
We call it
gonna
a fly.
How's that gonna look when you coat it?
Absolutely
A little
fine.
bit of a
Yeah.
lip? Yeah, why don't you show us? Actually, that's better. The funny part of that is watching them do it, really nice and smooth. And then watching me do it. You could have a lot of chuckles watching me do this. Took the board and cut. Holy cow, that was almost, well,
So you're almost a drywaller now.
something. Okay, well, we're done for today. We're gonna let the guys finish up downstairs, grabbing a quick bite to eat, and we're off to the next job site. We'll see you next time.